In this quiz, you'll see a word in English and a picture on the screen. Your challenge is simple. Say the Spanish word before the answer appears, and let us know how many you got right in the comments. Let's begin! How do you say hello in Spanish? Hola. How do you say goodbye? Adiós. How do you say yes? Sí. How do you say no? No. How do you say please? Por favor. How do you say thanks? Gracias. How do you say water? Agua. How do you say food in Spanish? Comida. How do you say house? Casa. How do you say car? Coche. How do you say dog? Perro. How do you say cat? Gato. How do you say mother? Madre. How do you say father? Padre. How do you say brother in Spanish? Hermano. How do you say sister? Hermana. How do you say friend? Amigo. How do you say boy? Niño. How do you say girl? Niña. How do you say baby? Bebé. How do you say man? Hombre. How do you say woman in Spanish? Mujer. How do you say day? Día. How do you say night? Noche. How do you say sun? Sol. How do you say moon? Luna. You're doing better than you think. Stay focused, because some really fun questions are coming up next. How do you say book? Libro. How do you say school? Escuela. How do you say teacher in Spanish? Maestro. How do you say student? Estudiante. How do you say door? Puerta. How do you say window? Ventana. How do you say table? Mesa. How do you say chair? Silla. How do you say bed? Cama. How do you say shirt in Spanish? Camisa. How do you say shoes? Zapatos. How do you say money? Dinero. How do you say store? Tienda. How do you say street? Calle. How do you say city? Ciudad. How do you say country? País. How do you say family in Spanish? Familia. How do you say work? Trabajo. How do you say job? Empleo. How do you say phone? Teléfono. How do you say computer? Computadora. How do you say music? Música. How do you say movie in Spanish? Película. How do you say love? Amor. How do you say happy? Feliz. How do you say sad? Triste. How do you say big? Grande. How do you say small? Pequeño. How do you say good? Bueno. How do you say bad in Spanish? Malo. How do you say red? Rojo. How do you say blue? Azul. How do you say green? Verde. How do you say black? Negro. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more Spanish quizzes and check out our other videos. See you next time!